What's
There's a
up?
monster in my closet.
There's a monster in your closet? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I will go check it out. I don't see anything.
Daddy.
Hello? Is anybody down here? Sweetie, what are you doing? Addison,
Monster in my room.
there's a monster in your room. You just said there was a monster in your closet.
And now it's in my bedroom.
Stay right here, okay, Madison?
Okay.